Hope you all are doing good. In this video we'll see how we can change the icon of the folder in Windows. So as you can see here, we have normal common icon of the Windows folder. So I'm going to show you how you can customize this one and put our, like you see, all the application has their own logo. So you can also do that, and in order to do that you have to right click on the folder, just right click, go to properties, okay, then go to customize, and then you can just see here folder icons. You have to click on change icon. From there you have a variety of options. You can choose whatever icon you want to keep. Okay, so I have downloaded some different icons, and these are the icons that is provided in the Windows, that is inbuilt from the Microsoft. And I'll show you. I have like few more icons which you can put in your folder. So I'll just click on here. If you want to use these all defaults, you can just select any icon and click OK, and then apply, then OK. So that icon will get changed into the specified icon. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'll just click on browse. I have downloaded a few icons here. So desktop, then I have here themes, folder icons. So as you can see here, I have few icons here. And one more thing, I'll give you the link in the description below, where I have you will see all these icons in that folder. So you just click on the description, there will be link provided. You just click on the link and this file gets downloaded, and you have all these icons available there in that particular folder. So I'm gonna select this one, click on open, click OK, click on apply, then OK. So as you can see here, this icon has been changed to my desired icon. So you can do the same way. And that's all guys for today. Hope you like the video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. Thank you, and you have a great day. Bye bye.